Hello YouTubers! Today I will test ANR26650 batteries made by A123 Systems. These batteries are lithium ferrophosphate batteries and they come in two versions, grade A and grade B. I don't know what's the difference between them, but the test will show. The nominal voltage of these batteries is 3.3 volts and they support discharge current up to 70 amps. I will test at up to 20 amps because my equipment doesn't allow me to go further. So let's move on. I've bought these batteries from Queen Battery, which is my reliable supplier of genuine batteries. They offer individual approach to each customer and special discounts depending on the quantity you buy. I will leave a link to their website and their email under this video. I've done the measurements using a special battery tester, the ZKE Tech EBC820, which supports 4-wire measurement, discharge currents up to 20 amps, and it can be connected to a PC for building the curves. I've also upgraded my battery holder for better accuracy. I've replaced the steel pads with copper ones. They are made from pure copper, you can see them. And the battery in this holder looks like this. That's it. I followed all the prescriptions of the IEC 61960 standard concerning battery's capacity measurement. The air temperature was 20-25 centigrades, and before each discharging cycle, a battery was charged at its standard charging current mentioned in its datasheet, and after that it was left for 1 hour minimum. After discharging cycle, it also was left for 1 hour minimum. At 0.2 C or 0.5 amp, the grade A cell gave out 2678 mAh or 8643 mWh. At 5 amp, 2573 mAh, 7875 mWh. At 10 amp, 2570 mAh, 7647 mWh. At 20 amp discharge rate, 2576 mAh or 7383 mWh. The grade B cell at 0.5 amp gave out 2700 mAh or 8725 mWh. At 5 amp, 2583 mAh or 7907 mWh. At 10 amp, 2579 mAh or 7651 mWh. At 20 amp discharge rate, it gave out 2595 mAh or 7412 mWh. You can see the results of the grade B cell are better than the grade A1. So I think it's a bit bizarre because grade B must be worse than the grade A. I've got two of each batteries, and to picture out the difference between them, I've tested them at 20 amp discharge rate, all four batteries, and here are the results. Grade A cell number 1, 2576 mAh or 7383 mWh. Grade A cell number 2, 2527 mAh or 7268 mWh. Grade B cell number 1, 2595 mAh or 7412 mWh. Grade B cell number 2, 2582 mAh or 7383 mWh. As you can see, grade B cells are better than the grade A cells, both of them. It's very strange. and I think the grade B cells must be marked grade A and vice versa. So in the end we've got strange results because the grade B appears to be better than the grade A, but the difference is miserable, so you can easily buy grade B cells and not pay more for grade A ones. I recommend them for using in high drain applications. So that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and bye bye.